Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Sorry guys, I was kind of busy yesterday, so was unable to put video. So we are back to the grind. Okay, so let's start with Nifty. If you guys see, Nifty is in a squeeze. Okay, this analysis was done only now. There's a purely fresh analysis. Okay, so if you guys see in 15 minutes time frame, this is a trend line coming from above and this is a trend line from below. This trend line on 1 hour and this is on a 15 minutes. Okay, so if you guys see, it is getting squeezed here. Okay, this was a decision making place, okay, which was breached, which was actually breached, and now it is above. So if it crosses above 22,220, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be around 50 points, nothing more than that. Okay, and selling, I'll be only selling post 22,130 and below, nothing before that. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also the same. It did not give us any kind of downside momentum for us to short it, but it's stuck in the middle. So only if it crosses above 46,980 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Before that, I have no ideas of buying whatsoever. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see on a daily time frame, this is a box which is forming. Okay, let me remove these things really quick. So if you guys see, it's on the same place from almost 14 days. On 14 days it's in the same place, which is actually a good thing, because after this, if it gives a move, we can expect very good movement on the upper side or the lower side. Yeah, lower side, we're not supposed to expect it. It's because there is an immediate support there. So upside, yes, because these resistance have a very big probability of getting broken, because on a daily time frame, if you see, it has started going up and the lows are not shifting to downside. So if it crosses $79.30 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. My safest buy will be $83.50 and above. Okay, I'm not looking forward to short anything now, but if it breaches below $72.80, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Okay, next is gold. Gold also the same thing. If you guys see, it has just reached the peak where it is ready to give a breakout, as much as I know. So it should start forming small candles like this. I want these kind of small candles to form, only then I'll be buying the position. And if I'm buying it, I'll be buying around 2035 and above, and my stop loss will be at 2025. Okay, selling, I'll be selling only post 2013, and my stop loss will be at 206 2026. Okay, so this is for gold. We have 6 stocks for swing trading. First is Astral. I'm planning to buy tomorrow, because if you guys see, there's a pole and there's a flag, but this flag is kind of a long flag. It's totally fine. Sometimes stocks tend to consolidate a lot. This is good. So Astral, tomorrow I'll be buying it. So if I get a price of 2018 to 2120, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 1915. Okay, next is Suprajit Engineering. Suprajit Engineering also I'm trying to buy it tomorrow. So if I get a price of 422 to 435, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 415. Yeah, Tata Motors on a 4 hour time frame. If you guys see, this is a recent resistance which is getting broken now, and this swing is the latest swing. Okay, so I'll be buying it anywhere near 970 to 950. If I get a price, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 930. Next is Railtel also the same. This is the recent swing on a daily time frame too. So this is the price I'm expecting. If I get a price of 470 to 490, I'll be looking forward to buy it. In this, I know the stop loss is pretty big. It's 20%, but because it's a swing trade, it's totally fine. We can hold it, but this will be a long trade, guys. Even to get 1:2, this will be a long trade. If you're a person who plays around with position like me, this trade can take quite some time to give you 1:2 also. Yeah, because investment will be because the stop loss is too low. Until unless it moves, we won't be able to make money. So if it moves rapidly up, it's well and good, but stop loss is pretty big, and it's swing trading, it's totally fine. Okay, next is LT. If you guys see, this is a cup pattern. This is a cup. If we get a handle here, and after that we can expect a shoot, but handle is not formed yet. So what we can do is, we can wait for it to breach the level of 3545. Above that, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 3500 or 3505. Okay, next is Eicher Motors. Future Motors, this is a trend line from below and this is a trend line from above. It is at a good resistance line now. It should breach it. It should breach it, and if it passes 4030, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 3935. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Only if you guys support me, I'll be able to grow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.